Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use tags in WordPress, an essential tool for organizing your content and making your site easier to navigate. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a quick refresher, by the end of this video, you'll be confident in managing tags like a pro. First, head over to your WordPress site and log in. You can use your username and password or a quicker method, like continuing with your Google account. Make sure you select the Google account linked to your WordPress site to avoid any login issues. Once you're in, navigate to the Post section in your dashboard. Here's where all the magic happens. Look for the Tags option. This is your gateway to organizing your posts effectively. Click on Tags, and you'll see a simple interface to add a new tag. Start with the tag name. Think of a short, clear word or phrase that captures the essence of your content. Next, add a description. This isn't just extra text, it helps you and your team understand the tag's purpose, especially if your site has lots of posts. After filling in the name and description, hit Add New Tag. On the right side, you'll see a table confirming your new tag has been saved. You can also click View to see a preview of how it appears on your site. This ensures everything looks perfect before your visitors interact with it. And that's it. Using tags in WordPress helps keep your content organized, improves navigation, and enhances the user experience for your readers. Start applying this simple system today and watch your site become more structured and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips and tutorials.